Hola, we are at Zoetry Casa del Mar, and we are currently seeing a master suite ocean view. Look at this room. It's huge. It's beautiful. You have this amenity, which is tequila. And this is the view that you get. Important to mention that this room is guaranteed for wedding couples. So regardless of the category that you book with for your wedding stay, this is what will be confirmed for you guys. You have a safe, bathrobes. This is actually another exit towards where we just came in. And the bathroom and the shower. Important to mention some of the things that you have included when staying at Zoetry. Your minibar is refreshed 2 times per day. You have laundry included. And you also get wine. You have white, red, sometimes champagne or sparkling. And this is also refreshed per day. If you have any questions regarding the resort, regarding the amenities, wedding locations, please let us know. We will be more than happy to help. Hola Weddings.